Hey guys, today I will share with you this 24 identity template branding pack for Adobe Photoshop, like Identity Template Branding, Web Agency Collection. This templates you can use Photoshop any version. This is RAR file, you can download link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. Open this folder. There are 24 folder, you can see, business card, letterhead, compliment card, envelope, presentation folder, invoice, CD case, office ID card, flyers, trifold brochure, bifold brochure, shopping bag, signage, web proposal, fax paper, t-shirt, cap, clock, mug, flash drive, pen, car, Facebook timeline cover, wallpaper. So, each folder contains a separate project file. Now I'm open this folder, and you can see two folders, EPS and PSD, EPS for Adobe Illustrator and PSD for Adobe Photoshop. So I am open this project. So you can see that it has opened in front of me Photoshop. You can see this is a business card branding mockup. You can edit from here, or if you want you can put your design here and print it. There will be no problem of size, because this branding mockup is made for printing. This is front project, and now I show you a back project. You can edit in any way, no problem. I'm show you this folder. I'm opening these two project files to show you. One front side, and another back side. So here you can see there are three folders, MS Word, EPS for Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments, we will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it be sure to subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thanks.